Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap. Trades taken last week, week ending today. I stopped trading just now. Today is Friday the 11th, okay, November 11th, Friday, November 11th, and you know the market is going to close in a few hours. So yesterday we had CPI, and that made a lot of volatility. A lot of pairs were moving up and down, big trades. So let's get started. The week started on the 7th, November 7th, right? It was Monday. This is one of the trade. The trade was open last Friday on the 4th, and I held it and for 190 pip and closed on Monday. Pound USD from 20-minute chart. This is the buy order here. SL move to break even plus. And you can see the entry right here, right? By the book, yellow is above the black, black is above the white. This indicates all the way down, going up, and red candle turning blue. And I opened the trade right here. This was a good entry as well. This was a good entry as well. But you know, I was here in already and gone for 190 pip on Monday closing. On the 7th, another one was pound Aussie, and it was open on the November 7th. Beautiful entry by the book, and also this was an entry, then a second entry, right? But once you take the first entry, that's it. You just hold on to the trade until it fulfills the daily range, whatever the range is, 100 pip, 150, 200, whatever. And usually it goes for that. 90% of the time it goes for the daily range. So 100 pip on here, on this, and then again this one you can see on the 7th again. So this was the one that I just showed you. It went up, I closed it, and then again it gave me the entry, and then another 70 pip. Watch this one, see this? So it was here coming down and then gave me another entry right here, and then after that it went up. I got in again. So this was the first, this is the second. Pound Aussie, 2 trades on the 7th. Okay, on the 8th, USDCAD, sell order here, and went all the way down. This was the entry, but it got out. I got out on break even. When the price moves a little bit in my direction, I come and sit on a break even, just like here. And then if it goes back, it takes me out at break even, or sometimes losing 5 pip or 10 pip or something like that. But if it goes in my way, it goes like this, 100 pip to the downside straight. On the 8th, another one, Aussie USD. Beautiful entry by the book entry here. I didn't take that one. This one was, got out on a break even, like I said. And here, boom, gone all the way, 100 pip on the 18th, or the 8th, sorry. And buy entry here, SL move to break even plus. Here on the 9th, pound yen, and I'm going to make a separate video explaining this because I got a couple of questions that how come I don't close my trade here or here or here, and how, what makes me hold the trade to this many pips, 160 pip, and I'm not closing it. And I close here. Why? What was the reason? So I'll, make another video after this and explain that. And so on the 9th, this is 160 pip pound yen, and there was another one. This entry, I took it on the other computer, on the other account. Here we go. This is the one for 80 pip. So that was 160. This is 80. 240 in one day from this pair, pound yen, on the 9th. Okay. Now on the 9th, Euro Aussie buy order here. This was the entry again. When you don't have the right entry most of the time, you get out at break even, or maybe losing 5, 10, 15 pip, right? So this was out break even, and again this one produced 85 pip. This was a good entry as well, but I was already in, so no need to take second entry. You can, but I don't. On the 9th, pound USD 20-minute by the book entry went down. This is a good entry. This is a good entry as well. But this is the first entry. My alarm started beeping, and I took it, and boom, all the way down. On the 9th, 110 pip. Sell order right here. On the 9th, USD franc, just like that. This was here. I lost a whole 25 pip, taking this entry first, and it went up, boom, got me out. And again, second entry all the way down. So yeah, once in a while you lose, right? But it's still, you take the second entry and then you not only cover everything, but you are in profit. Most of the time, I'm like that. On the 10th Euro Aussie, this was the entry, and you know what happened to the entry, right? Then the second entry here, and boom, all the way down, 125th. Sell order right there. This is the beauty about the system, that even if you're wrong, but most likely you get it back right after, maybe an hour or two or something, with the second entry or the third entry, whatever, the next entry. Or if it goes the other side, right? For example, if you have long here and it goes bad, and then it comes and then give you short entry and you go short. On the 10th, Aussie USD, buy order here by the book right there, 100 pip all the way to the upside. See this big wobble here. This is the news, the CPI news, which I posted on the Telegram. Also, that it's about to come and it's going to provide some good volatility, and it did. Now, Aussie was getting weaker. Yen was getting stronger actually, and beautiful entry here. This was I missed, but this one is a good one for 85. Excuse me, my hiccups. Euro Yen for 150 pip. You can see here what happened, right? Obviously, I missed that, but then this one, right? Sometimes I'm not home, sometimes sleeping, sometimes doing something else. So, you don't hear the alarm beeping. But yeah, you can catch all the, always, if not this one, then I caught this one. If not this one, then you can catch this one and get at least 60, 70, 80, 100 pip anyway, right? Yeah. So here on the 10th, USDCAD going to the downside, 65 pip by the book. And here, the USD yen today on Friday, 11th, November 11th. This pair moved yesterday when the CPI report came. It moved more than 600 pip in one day. And today it moved more than 300 pip already. Out of that 300, you see the daily range open here, the day opened here, and then it went up and started to drop. And since USD was getting weaker, and I'll show you the chart, and yen was getting strong, that you have like a double force applying on this pair. One getting weaker, the other one getting strong, and it went down big time. And USD was getting weaker because, let me show you if I have the chart open here. Yeah, for example, like this chart here, the US dollar index weekly chart, I made it on the 15th October, and I gave it to my subscribers, right? And I, explained this in the webinar, that this is what I'm thinking, this might happen. So my target, that this thing is gonna drop from there and to this 1753 was my target, right? The first target, you can say. It can go all the way to here or here, even 1026, even more to the downside, but first thing first, right? So this was my first target. And as of today, let me go there and then show you what happened to US dollar index. By the way, the index is dropping means USD getting weaker. So now you can see the chart is currently doing this. See this? USD index weekly chart. So I made on the October 15th, when it was all the way at the top, showing that right there. Again, let me just go show it. See that? This was the chart on 15th October. There's gonna go. Now what happened is the USD getting weaker means four of these pairs, Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and Aussie USD, they will go up. And three pairs where the USD on the left hand side, USD Yen, USD Franc, and USD CAD will go down. And that's why you saw me having this like USD Yen down this much big time. Similarly, USD CAD to the downside, right? And that's why. And then Pound Aussie to the upside. You saw your Aussie USD to the upside, right? So all of these because of this this pair. And I had my monthly chart when it was all the way here. I made, and look what happened. Right? In 1 month, it's all the way down here already. So maybe the next target, we will retrace a little bit first, and then it'll go down to this one here. So this is how. And then at the same time, yen was getting strong. See that? It was coming down here. So I knew that it's going to go down. I have the chart for this one as well. So it's going to go down. So it went down, and then yen index going down means yen is getting strong. So when USD getting weaker, yen is getting strong. Then what happened? Then this one happened. 180 pip. USD getting weaker, going down. Yen getting strong, pushing more to the downside, and boom, big time. Yesterday 600, more than 600 pip move. Today more than 300 pip move. Out of that, I got to 180 pip. Right. So this is how it is. If you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it. You want to learn how to do this. This kind of how to take these trades. Then go on my website, my creative tradingsystems.com, and subscribe there. And today is like I said, is Friday. So you can subscribe, you can get the system, all the indicators, the expert advisor, blah, 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 and set up your charts and start trading from Monday. You will be a part of my Telegram as well, where I post all my setups and upcoming trades like this. And you'll be a part of my webinars where I teach how I do it, and my analysis and the system and all the everything else. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.